Spot, Spot, a lovable Spot. He's soft and cuddly and he smiles a lot. If there ever was a pup to cheer you up, it's Spot, Spot, Spot.
It was a windy day, and Spot wanted to fly his kite. "See you later, Mum," he said. "Mind you don't get blown away," said Sally. "Ready, steady, go!" said Spot. Oh dear. Right, try again. Come on, kite, fly. Kite, up you go. "Careful," said the bird. "Careful." "Careful." "What is the world coming to?" "Careful." "Oh dear," said Spot. "Wow!" "Oh dear, it's going to. It has. It's stuck in the tree." "Oh, and it's too high for me to reach. That's the end of my kite flying." Spot watched the leaves blowing in the wind. "I know," he said. "I'll catch one of each kind." "Oh, what's that?" "That's my hat," said a voice. "Thank you for catching it. It's my best Sunday hat. Let me know if there's ever anything I can do for you." "Woof, woof." "There is. There is," said Spot. "Could you get my kite down from the tree?" "Why, certainly," said the kangaroo. 1, 2, 3.
Woof, woof, woof.
There it goes.
Woof, woof.
Spot was pleased to have his kite back. "Now I can try again," he thought. This time when he ran, the kite went soaring into the air. "Thank you, Mr. Kangaroo," called Spot. But Mr. Kangaroo couldn't hear. It was too windy.